With the new year upon us and getting our butts in gear on everyone's to-do list, while you're in between sets, why don't we talk about another attainable goal, like getting you into a new home. Here's a few ways to make it happen in 2023. While you're waiting to get into the home, let's get that credit score up. Keep paying down your balance, keep making your payments on time, and don't ever close out any accounts. Number 2, keep saving for a down payment. The days of needing 20% down are gone. When you use Movement as your lender, there are certain loan options that require as little as 3% down. But a hefty chunk of cash can still go a long way. You know, a stack like this. Number 3, see if you're pre-approved. We say it time and time again, getting pre-approved gives you a leg up on the competition. You have everything working in your favor to close fast and with a punch. Number 4, start compiling those documents. You'll need 2 pay stubs, 2 W-2s, 2 bank statements, and if you're a freelancer, you'll need 2 years of filed tax returns. Do it now so you can run to closing when you're ready to buy.